Okay, so this is how the dealer installed the optional mechanical thumb on the BH2720 backhoe for your Massey Ferguson GC1700 series. The problem with this, and from what I can tell, it shouldn't be here. It should be installed right here. And because the way that it is, you don't have the ability to get into travel mode. And so you'll never get all the way up against this surface. And currently the way it's installed, I can't get into here. I can't put a pin in here at all. It doesn't line up. These ones I can use, but that doesn't get this out of my way when I just want to use the bucket for digging. Okay, so I moved the pin for the thumb from here over to here, and now you'll be able to see, hold on, gotta figure out how to take this out. Okay. All right, now it actually goes all the way up to where it should go and comes back down. But new problem, the welds right there, those welds, they're so thick and overbuilt that my pinholes don't line up here still. So I'm gonna have to file that down some so that I can get it up in there the rest of the way. Okay, so what I did was I filed the weld on both sides, kind of down by hand, where it kept leaving black paint when I would slap it up. And so now I can put it into travel mode. Let's see if I can do this with a phone in my hand. There we go. And now it's in travel mode. So there you go.